Hello! Finally, we're going to start using our fingers. Let's try proper hand form. Let's hold the violin, hanging, not right down, hanging around here, base knuckle area, and then fingers all around. Let's do warm-ups. So all the fingers tap, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger on G string, tap, 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 and then D, tap, 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 and then A string, tap, 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 E string, tap, tap, tap. Okay, so the first finger we're going to use is on D string and A string. So open D, the next letter is E. So now on D string, open string, the first tap, your first finger is going to come down quick. But now what important thing is you don't press it down. Okay, I'll show you. So once it comes down, it doesn't press it down, just relaxes. So the finger is on the string but not pressing down firmly. Relax, down and relax. Okay, and then we're going to play this note twice. So open D twice and then E twice. So open D down up and then E. Of course it has to be continuous, not stopping in the middle like a rest. So important thing is it comes down quick and then also flies away quick. Now I tell my students that these fingers are hawks and this is a road, and these are roadkill, like a dead rabbit or possum. So they come down swiftly, quick. And then when a car comes, our car, it has to fly away quick. Otherwise, squash. I'll show you an example. So we did, and then we're going to play E, E, D, D. So the fingers on the string and then go, it's all the way down, but not pressing hard. And now it has to fly away. If it doesn't fly away in time, this happens. Do you hear it? If not, okay, so we don't want to hear that. We want to fly away quick. Get the food and fly away. Now, when the other hawks, the other fingers, when they are not hungry, but they're watching, so they are kind of a family birds, so they are there, they're not here, they're not there, certainly they're not hiding on the because when there's a food they have to come all the way up and down. No, by the time a car might come, so all the other birds hanging over there and hovering over the string, not under, not like this, not like this, just round form, just as we practiced tapping. So one finger, one hawk is down, the other fingers are just waiting for the other food. Another thing is listening. This is called major second or a tone or simply a step. Not a half step, a step. So the sound you are listening to is, everyone knows happy birthday. Happy birthday, da da da. Or Frère Jacques, Frère Jacques, Frère. My pronunciation might not be good, but that's the idea. Da 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 da. So we don't want to hear A string, A, and then the next letter is B. Okay, so let's try D, D, E, E, and then E, E, D, D. So the finger is down first and then fly away. Okay, D, D, E, E first. Now let's do E, E, D, D. Okay, did you fly away quick? All right, now next one is A, A, B, B, and then B, B, A, A. And then B, B, A, A. Okay, please practice this one, and then part 2 is we're actually playing together. So it's not playing harmony. I'm playing something and then you are following straight after. But first, we need to practice this first finger. Okay? All right, see you next time. Bye.